All right, welcome. Now we're going to do an example of solving an exponential equation that we cannot really use we can't use the equality property, okay? Because like in this example here, there's no power of 7 that's going to get, no easy power or integer power of 7 that's going to give me this, right? So how do we solve this in this case? Well, we're going to use those steps in the previous, for solving exponential equations using logs. So what we're going to do is, so it's already isolated with the exponential on one side, so we're going to take the log of both sides. As long as the log is the same, it doesn't matter, okay? Now I think I might have made, I think I said something wrong or misspoke. In step number 2, when it says take this base, take a log of both sides of the same base, I think I said the base matches the base of the exponential. That's not true. I misspoke. As long as the base on both sides of the equation is the same, that's all that matters, okay? Now typically we can use common logs or natural logs because we can stick those in our calculator, okay? So in this case I'm going to use common logs. So let's do that. So let's do log, so we'll take log of 7 to the x equals to log of 60, okay? Now we're going to use the power property. We're going to pull out the exponent and write x. So now we can solve for x. That's why we do this. Okay? So x times the log of 7 equals the log of 60. Okay? And now we're going to divide both sides by the log of 7. And so we get x equals this. Now notice something here too, that when we wrote this, we're taking what? So if we want to write this here, we could write this that this is log base 7 of 60 equals x. So if you look at this, notice what we just did. We actually derived the change of base formula. This is essentially how we derived the change of base formula. So there's the log of what? The argument divided by the log of the base. I thought you might find that interesting. But anyway, that would be the answer. Now you can stick this in your calculator, and many times they might tell you to do so, or if they want the exact answer, this would be the exact answer, or the solution. So just pay attention to the instructions and what they want you to do. Sometimes they want you to stick it in and approximate it, or they just want you to leave it in that form and leave it in exact form.